Yo, what's up, YouTube? This your boy Mike Larry 704. Just want to shout out my man. I got a little unboxing right here. I won that Rob Dollar giveaway. So I just want to shout out my man Rob Dollar. I got a couple more cats, man, I want to shout out, man. Y'all check them out. They do some of the dopest reviews ever. You got Tony D2 Wild, Crooklyn's Closet, Keeks for Days 92, The Ratchet Reviewer, C. Hackett, man, DB Town, Bull, Godzilla, Big Marty from Southeast, boy 19 Ace 81, Mazer's Closet. You got John, Don Revenue. You got my man Scoop, Heat on Feet 45, Neo, Kid Thunder, Bus Seats, TL Ricks 72, and Rep Monster. That's just to name a few, man. That's just a couple of cats I'll be checking out, man. I stay glued to y'all channels, for real. Y'all see me on them comments. But yeah, man, just a little giveaway I won from my man Rob Dollar. He hooked your boy up. And get a little look at it. He got it double boxed, of course. Pull that thing out of there. Alright, that's what we looking at. I know some of y'all tripping. The box kind of beat up, but that's alright, because I don't wear boxes, I wear shoes. I don't worry about that. So here we go. Alright. Right there, baby. Gamma 12s on deck. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Them things looking real good right now. Get that box out the way. Yes, sir. Them Gamma 12s on deck. Yeah, I appreciate you, Rob Dollar, man. Appreciate you for keeping it 100 all the time in all your videos. Everybody might not like what you're talking about all the time, man, but I'm with you, bro. I'm riding with you. All right, man. So that's it. Just want y'all to check them things out. See what I'm working with. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. I will wear these. I'm put these on tomorrow, Rob. Got old Steve Smith jersey. Might throw on with him. Alright, man. YouTube, I'm out. Y'all stay up.